My name is Vincent. I'm the Director of Studies at Cork English Academy, and I've been teaching English for more than 19 years now. All our teachers are highly experienced and qualified TEFL teachers. Students can expect to cover all the basic areas of English, grammar, vocabulary, listening, reading, writing. But the most important thing for us, and our focus has always been on communication. So how to use the language, how to produce English, also how to think in English, and how to become better students in terms of how to increase their skills. Students are with us for 1 month or 2 months, but what happens when they leave? They need to have the skills, they need to have the tools to be able to continue that journey and continue that English learning experience outside the class, and also when they finish and go back home. The school caters for all levels from elementary to advanced, so using the Common European Framework reference of language levels, that's A1 to C2, from elementary to proficient.
My name is Catherine O'Connor and I'm the founder and the Managing Director of Cork English Academy. Our mission is to provide our students with the best experience possible when they come here, to ensure that they have a full English language learning experience, to achieve their potential in terms of language learning, but also to have a cultural experience of knowing that they're learning English in Ireland, so to know a little bit more about Ireland and Irish culture when they leave. We are accredited by IELTS, so we are also a member of Marketing English in Ireland. We provide accommodation options for students depending on their budget and their preferences. We have a very good team who look after our accommodation, and we've taken on our own apartments and we manage them ourselves so that we can really give the students the very best options that we can. So we have apartments, we also have host families. We visit them ourselves personally. We have a really nice group of host families who understand our ethos and who want to share that and help us to give the students a very positive experience.